Number 7. Leaching plastic. The polymer P and membrane used within hydrogen water bottles are very similar to ones used in hydrogen fuel cells, which tend to have a long lifespan or working hours. Typically, the chemical or mechanical degradation of these membranes depend on factors such as membrane thickness, current density, electrolytic cell design, and operational conditions such as high temperature, pH level, exposure to other chemicals, etc. Higher grade Nafion membranes are generally recognized as stable and resistant to chemical degradation under normal operating temperatures. However, over time, mechanical degradation can occur. I have yet to see any empirical data or experimental data regarding the release of PFAS or platinum nanoparticles into the water from hydrogen water bottles, as well as not seeing any data showing the release of BPAs or BPS into the water from hydrogen water bottles. Additionally, these bottles exhibit a very low current density at the hydrogen cell, a crucial factor for preventing leaching of platinum or PFAS. Therefore, purchasing a high-end hydrogen water bottle is critical for ensuring the efficacy and safety of the bottle. I've had discussions with HU Analytics, who has conducted water quality analysis on several of these hydrogen water bottles, and every report has returned negative for heavy metals or plastics. If this was helpful, make sure you check out the full length video where I explain this in more detail. And if you want simple content on molecular hydrogen therapy, make sure you subscribe to HU Minutes.